Hi, my name is Stephanie. I graduated in 2019 with a major in environmental studies and a minor in GSS, and I'm here to tell you how important that minor in GSS was for me as I took my next step in my career by applying to graduate school. So currently, I am a master's student in my second year at The Ohio State University. I'm in the Environment and Natural Resources department, and when I applied, my advisor was really impressed by my knowledge of GSS that, of course, I gained from taking the classes required by the minor. He was actually so impressed that and pleased with my knowledge of GSS that we decided to build my thesis project based on that knowledge, and now my entire project focuses on analyzing habitat patterns for certain species in Ohio using geospatial methods. So I'm really pleased with how that turned out and how my knowledge from undergrad translated into helping me create a really interesting research project in graduate school. And also I want to point out that that knowledge was also helpful in getting me a nomination for a fellowship that ultimately is funding my graduate education, which is, of course, really awesome and important. Also, if you're like me and you're not the biggest fan of field work, of course, all environmental science students should get out in the field and should learn about where their data is coming from. But personally, I'm not the biggest fan of going out into the field and collecting samples and doing the labor aspect. I'm more a fan of staying inside and analyzing the data when I can. And I think learning GSS is the best way that you can make yourself applicable and ready for those types of jobs if you're more into the data analysis side than the data collection side of field work, or of environmental work in general. This flexibility of GSS has been really helpful to me, especially as many research projects got shut down because of the pandemic this summer. So I was really grateful to be able to continue my research remotely because all of it has been done online. So yeah, there's an added layer of flexibility that's been really helpful to me in my graduate work.